In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest affiliate marketing strategy. This is not something that is going to be consuming a lot of time, but you need to be consistent with the implementation in order to get results. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel very consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you what I consider the easiest strategy to earn money online. You don't have to create your content, okay? You don't have to go with paid traffic. So what is this all about? Let me show you in this video. But as I mentioned before, this is not something magical. This is not something that you're going to get results overnight. You need to watch the entire video and you need to implement it, okay? Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. Okay, first of all, we will need a product to promote. You can go to a website such as uh, ClickBank. You can also go to JBSU, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction. Okay, so there are different sites that you can use in order to become an affiliate, okay? Here, for example, you're going to click here on affiliates. You're going to have like a questionnaire. You're going to fill it out and you're going to have the answer. Okay. Here on ClickBank, you're going to have different products to promote. Here on different categories, you're going to see here we have business, we have computer, cooking, wine and food, education, fiction, games, green. Okay. Now I'm currently on the e-business and e-marketing. Okay. You need to make sure that you're going to be sort this by gravity here from high to low, because we want to make sure that we're going to grab the product that, people are getting results with. Okay. That's something really important. We want to promote something that people get results with. So this is the reason why I went with gravity here, because that means that there is a lot of affiliates that are getting results. Not only one, but a lot of affiliates that are getting results. Here I have this product, which is the live chat job. Okay. This is a product in which they're offering a $1 trial, unlimited rebuilds. So it's actually really good because that means that we are going to be earning money recurrently, not only one time. So that's the reason why here we have Future. They have upsells. And this is a product that me personally, I know. Okay. This is a product that I have promoted in the past. And okay, the average conversion is $78. So that means that there are people who are getting rebuilt. Okay. So this is a product that grows like a snowball effect. Okay. So here is the video. Okay. This is a video that promote the product. Okay. Here is the video that promote the product. You're going to find the perfect online job. Watch the video. Okay. It's less than 5 minutes. Okay. How much do you want to earn? Here we have a questionnaire that is actually qualifying the lead, the person who is actually really interested. Again, if for some reason you decide not to purchase the product, you're like, okay, I'm not going to purchase a product. This is actually me personally speaking. Every single product I promote, I already take a look. Okay. I'm not promoting something that I don't use, but I understand that not everybody have the same mentality about it. That's okay. It's just a personal opinion and a personal point of view. Okay. But me personally speaking, I prefer to go with something that it already gave me some kind of results in the past. Okay. So let me continue with what we're going to be doing. Now, we're going to go to YouTube. In my case, this is a product that is going to be about online jobs. So I'm going to show you how we're going to grab the content, how we're going to use this content, how we're going to be getting results. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, really helpful for complete beginners, check the very first link in the description. Now, here I make a quick search about online jobs because this product is about online jobs. Okay. But we're going to be clicking here on filters. And this is what you're going to do. Here on filters, you're going to go with this one that says features. Okay, hold on. Let me do that again. Okay, here's, okay. We are going to go with this one, which features, and then you're going to click here where it says Creative Commons. Okay, what does Creative Commons means? Okay, you can actually Google this, but technically speaking, it's content. In this case, these are videos that these YouTubers allow us to reuse. Okay, we're not gonna have any kind of copyright claims and all this stuff because we actually want to avoid that. Okay, so that's the reason why we decided to go this route. Okay, once you filter it, you're gonna notice that the results are gonna change. Okay, let me share with you mine so you can have a okay, an idea. Okay, this are all the videos with what I already do, put the Creative Commons permission. So that means that we can use them. Okay, and we are not gonna have any kind of problem. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, that's something that we want. Now you're gonna choose one video. I already went with this one, the Bori 10 repetitive but high paying remote jobs. Okay, or okay. So this is actually the video. Now, there is one thing that we're gonna be using, that we're gonna be doing with this video. We're gonna be sharing it. Okay. And this is actually really, really important. Please pay attention to this. Okay, we're gonna be actually sharing it. Okay, whenever it's taking some time right now. Okay, here. Now, we're gonna click here where it says share, and we are gonna grab the link. Okay, this is the link. We are gonna copy it. Now, you're gonna go to this website, which is Opus Clip. Okay, so you can go to Opus Pro. It's the same as Opus Clip. And basically what this AI is going to be doing for us is going to be creating short form content. Okay. This AI is going to be creating short form content with the video that we are actually sharing. Okay. One long video, 10 viral clips, create 10x faster. Okay. So you don't need to have any kind of previous experience, okay? You don't need to have any kind of your experience. And by the way, you can open a free account so you can give it a try, okay? Here, we're going to paste the link that we already grab on YouTube, okay? Here, we're going to grab the link, and your back office, it's going to be looking something like this, okay? Depending on the plan you are, and even if you're on the free plan, you can actually paste the video. Okay, but please make sure that you are not going to be using music videos, gaming videos, or vlogs. Okay, it can be video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches. You're going to paste it here, and then your video is going to be down here. Okay, your video is going to be down here, and you're going to have the videos in the short form content. It's going to be something like this. Okay, you're going to have the videos here in the short form content, and you can download them. You are going to be sharing these videos on all the social networks such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, and YouTube. Right now, all these social networks allow short form content. The more eyeballs you get on your short form content, the more opportunities you're going to have to earn money online. Okay, because this is something that we call traffic. Okay, people who are interested in what we have to offer. In this case, we're going to be offering this product about an online job. Okay, remember that we went here in ClickBank, but this strategy works literally with every product. Okay, on the social networks, there are two routes that you can go. The first one is that you can share the link that you can go here on ClickBank and promote. This is actually my nickname. And this is going to be my link. I don't suggest you to go this route because that's what we call the hit and miss strategy. So that means that you're going to have just one opportunity to make a sale. And not only that, if you want to recommend them other products as well, you're not going to have the opportunity to do that. Okay. So I suggest you to do with what we call a simple funnel. For that, there is a tool that I use that is called System.io. And with System.io, you can create a simple two-step funnels, which is going to be your name. You're going to be collecting their name, their email address, and then you can send them to the product page, which is supposed to be a money symbol. Okay. But you can promote not only this product, but different products and services that your audience might be interested. Okay. So if you want to open a free account with System.io, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have your free account. And remember that if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.